Today, we are going to talk about Kanban view in Easynote. And Kanban view is an agile way to manage your projects. Now, if we switch to Kanban, we will be asked to add a status widget. Now, tasks in Kanban are sorted according to different statuses. So let's add one to show you what will happen. Now, as you can see, the task has been sorted by not starting, ongoing, and completed. So if I go back to the Easy view, I have suddenly a status widget here. So this is how the tasks are being sorted right now. And this small icon in the left corner, that's indicated that Kanban tasks are being sorted according to this status here. So if I add another status, and where I change this task kitchen, for example, to be ongoing, this one is completed, this one is ongoing. And if I click here and then set as Kanban, now you can see the icon has changed and the tasks are being now sorting according to this status. So if I go back, then you see that suddenly tasks are in different statuses. So that's why you can manage the Kanban and sort the tasks here according to different statuses here. Cool. Now that we have that sorted, we have the Kanban view. What we can do is make the switch of the statuses like this, and we can move tasks from one side to another, and also up and down. We can click here to add another task. There we go. And what we can do as well, we can change the statuses here. Sorry, there we go. Need to be done. And I can also click again and change the icon if I would like to. Great. We have more options here where we can add a task. We can copy this list to another list. We can move this list. So basically this whole section is called list in Kanban. We can sort things also by newest, oldest, and alphabetically. And of course we can move all tasks in this list to another status. And we can delete all tasks in this list, and we can delete the entire list. Now, if we click on the task itself, what you can see here is exactly the same view of the view task as in Easy View. So if you click in the kitchen, this here, you will see this view task exactly in Kanban. So basically they are the same. Now what you can see here are the widgets, and those widgets here are exactly those which you have in Easy View. These ones here. So if you go back to Kanban and you click here, then you can actually change the widgets here. So that's what you can do in Kanban. Another thing you can do is you can also set the custom background here if you would like to. I really like this one. There we go. Or you can remove the background if you like to. And what you can do is if you open your Explorer, and you can also add a custom image, so you can just drag and drop it like here, and the file will be uploaded and a small thumbnail will be created. So when you click here, it's coming here in the left corner, and then you can open to see it in the bigger picture. There we go. And another thing is you can use your arrows up and down to switch between different tasks in this particular status. So that means you don't need to leave this view, and we call this 3D view. Pretty cool, right? And if you go to the left, then you're jumping between the statuses here. So use your keyboard to access quickly the task, and you never need to leave this section. That was quickly about the Kanban view. Now it's up to you what you would like to use. I personally prefer Easy View, but many users who are used to Trello are used to Kanban view. So you have this option as well in Easynote. Good luck, and see you on easynote.com. Bye-bye.